Hello everyone and welcome back to Speak English Daily. I'm Anna and today we've got another super helpful episode for English beginners.
And I'm David. Hey everyone, if you've ever struggled to talk about your job or workplace in English, today's lesson is perfect for you.
Exactly. Whether you work in an office, a shop, a hospital, or from home, you need to talk about what you do every day. So today, we'll teach you how to describe your job, your tasks, and your workplace naturally, just like native speakers.
And as always, we'll give you examples, practice dialogues, and some easy tips to help you sound confident when speaking English at work.
Part 1. Talking about your job title. Let's start simple. How to talk about your job title. When someone asks, "What do you do?" you can say, "I'm a teacher," "I'm an engineer," "I work as a nurse," "I work in marketing."
Right, and you can also say, I work for a company, I work at a school, I'm self-employed, I run my own business.
Let's do a quick example. Anna, what do you do, David?
I'm a podcast host and an English teacher.
That sounds great. Where do you work?
I work online and teach students from around the world.
Perfect. See how natural that sounds? Simple sentences, clear meaning.
Part 2, describing your workplace. Anna, let's talk about your workplace. You can describe where you work and what the environment is like. Example sentences. I work in an office. My office is big and modern. I work from home. I work outdoors. My workplace is very busy.
Let's make it sound natural with a short dialogue. David, do you like your workplace?
Yes, it's bright and friendly. I work in a small office with 5 people.
That sounds nice. I work from home, so it's quiet most of the time, but sometimes I miss talking to people.
That's a very common feeling. Working from home can be comfortable, but also a little lonely.
Part 3. Talking about daily tasks. Now, how do you talk about what you do at work every day? You can say, I start work at 9, I answer emails, I help customers, I prepare reports, I attend meetings.
Yes, and you can combine them to make natural sentences. I start work at 9, answer some emails, and then attend a team meeting. I usually talk to clients and help them with their problems.
Here's a short practice conversation. Anna, what do you do every day at work?
I usually start by checking my emails, then I prepare my lesson plans for students.
Sounds busy.
It is, but I enjoy helping people learn.
Part 4. Talking about breaks and lunch. Let's talk about one of everyone's favorite parts of work, break time. You can say, I usually take a coffee break at 11. I have lunch with my coworkers. I eat lunch in the office cafeteria. Sometimes I go out for lunch.
Example dialogue. Anna, do you take coffee breaks?
Yes, around 11 a.m. I usually grab a coffee and a snack.
Nice. I like to take a short walk during my break to relax.
That's a great idea. Walking helps your mind stay fresh.
Part 5. Talking about coworkers and bosses. Now, let's learn how to describe the people you work with, your coworkers and boss. You can say, I have friendly coworkers. My boss is very kind. We work as a team. My coworkers are supportive.
Here's a short example. David, do you get along with your coworkers?
Yes, they're great. We help each other and share ideas.
That's awesome. Having good coworkers makes work more enjoyable. Part 6. Talking about work hours. Let's talk about work hours. What time you start and finish. I work full-time. I work part-time. I start work at 8 and finish at 5. I usually work from Monday to Friday. Sometimes I work overtime.
Example conversation. Anna, what time do you usually finish work?
Around 6 p.m., but sometimes I work late if I have many lessons.
You're hardworking. I usually finish around 5 and go home to relax.
Part 7. Talking about job likes and dislikes. It's also important to say what you like or don't like about your job. You can say, I enjoy meeting new people. I like helping customers. I love working in a team. I don't like working late. I hate doing paperwork.
Example dialogue. David, what do you like about your job?
I love teaching students and seeing their progress.
That's wonderful. I like that too, especially when students start speaking confidently.
Part 8, talking about future goals. Now let's look to the future. You can talk about your career goals by saying, I want to get a promotion. I'd like to learn new skills. I hope to work abroad someday. I'm planning to start my own business.
Example dialogue. Anna, what's your dream job?
I'd love to create an English learning platform for students worldwide.
That's amazing. I'd like to travel and teach in different countries.
Part 9, useful phrases for workplace conversations. Let's quickly learn some everyday phrases people use at work. Could you send me that file? I'll get back to you soon. Let's schedule a meeting. I'm working on a new project. I'm a bit busy right now.
And some polite expressions. Would you mind helping me? Could you please explain that again? Thank you for your help.
Great. These phrases help you sound polite and professional at work. Part 10, recap and practice.
Let's recap what we learned today. We talked about your job title, your workplace, daily tasks, coworkers and boss, work hours, likes and dislikes, and future goals.
Exactly. You can now describe your job and workplace easily in English. Remember, the key is practice. Try talking about your job out loud, even if you're alone.
And here's a little homework for you. Write 3 sentences about your job and 1 thing you love about it in the comments below. We'll check and reply.
That's right. And if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.